Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a tick for your back cushion. I'm using white accord and I'm doubling it over so that I can have a front and a back. I'm laying my fabric on, giving myself at least an inch all the way around. I'm going to now cut this inch all the way around. Keep in mind that this is just a tutorial and this fabric is not being used. Because this is a short back cushion, I'm measuring for a line to go down the center of the cushion. This line will be for the divider. In many cases we add two dividers, separated out evenly. Here I'm measuring for the length of the divider, which is usually about 1.5 inches to 2 inches short of each edge. For a standard back cushion, we cut our divider 10 inches wide. My typical back cushion is cut with a 4.5 inch boxing, so I'm cutting my boxing 5.5, an inch wider. I really hate to sew, and lucky for me, my seamstress showed up just in time. The seamstress is now going to sew the divider to both parts on the inside. She's now going to add the boxing starting in the middle of the bottom. For the other side, she's going to start about 2 or 3 inches from the corner. She will now sew this all the way around to about 2 to 3 inches from the top, leaving the side open. With the tick finished, we're going to now fluff out our dacron and start putting it in. We will typically fill it to just before it feels like it's full, so that when you put it in the cover, it'll tighten up to about full. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to do so. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.